Hello everyone, welcome back to Triple C Trendy Hairstyles. So guys, if today is your first time of stopping by Triple C Trendy Hairstyles, I welcome you. Please do not leave without subscribing, and when you subscribe, do not forget to turn on notification icon. So guys, let's dive into today's video. So guys, in today's video, you'll be seeing latest and most trendiest wolf cut hairstyles for women. Yes guys, have you heard of that before? Wolf haircuts for women. No matter your skin color, no matter your styles, once is haircuts, you are in the right video. Just relax and go through this video one after the other. I promise you won't be disappointed because this hairstyles is too. If you love crazy hairstyles, why not go through this video? If you're a lover of haircuts, why not go through this video? I promise you after watching this video you won't be disappointed. Do you know why? Triple C trendy hairstyles never disappoint when it comes to showcasing latest hairstyles. Okay, guys, do not rush this video so that you won't miss the particular one you would like to try out in your next visit to the salon. Even if you're a hairstylist, no problem, you can try it out on your customers' hair. If you know of any of your customers that love crazy hairstyles, try any of these styles on her hair. I promise you she won't be disappointed. Okay guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy this beautiful picture idea of wolf haircut for women. I will see you in my next upload. Do have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.